Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to start Euro Adventure chapter in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, how you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by open this Euro event banner, UEFA Euro 2024. So you can jump into the last chapter. This is the Euro Adventure. So in this UEFA Euro 2024 adventure, you can earn adventure points by active daily. Start adventure and obtain various adventure reward. Now, so you need about 20 to move. And if you stop by one of the box, for example, I stop in the Hamburg Stadium, you can get one of these possible reward. Let's claim. Tap free button. Let's see what reward that I got from this Hamburg Stadium. I got gems, not bad, 1250 gems. And then let's move again. I got 50, but before that you can claim this everyday adventure point 20, and also match day gift you can get 20 adventure point, and also you can watch the edge to get bonus point. And also this is the reward path. So if you unlock this, you can claim this a Euro pack after completing one run of Euro Adventure, and so on. So the top reward is this. You can choose a reward here. After completing 16 rounds of Euro Adventure, you can claim Euro Star Player or Universal Rank Player, Mascherano. So let's move. How many box I move? Just one box. Okay, not bad. I can claim training transfer point here. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also the next button below. See you in the next video.